If you guys bought a domain on Namecheap and want faster speed and better security, you can connect it to Cloudflare in minutes. So here's the exact setup. So firstly, you need to add your domain to Cloudflare. Log into Cloudflare and click Add a Site. Then type your domain name and click Continue. After that, you can just select the free plan or buy a paid one and then continue. Also, as shown here, don't forget that you need an account first. Then, after that, Cloudflare automatically scans existing DNS records, and to make sure that your A records and CNAME records are all correct. If unsure, leave everything as is and continue. Then, after that, Cloudflare will give you two name servers. You can copy both, you'll need them in Namecheap. After that, you log in to Namecheap and go to Domain List. Click Manage next to your domain. After that, under Name Servers, choose Custom DNS. Paste the two Cloudflare name servers and click Save. After that, you just go back to Cloudflare and click Done, check Name Servers. Activation usually takes a few minutes, but can take up to 24 hours. And then some more important tips for you. Do not change DNS records in Namecheap anymore. Manage DNS only inside Cloudflare. SSL activates automatically. And this is how you easily connect a Namecheap domain to Cloudflare for better speed and security. If you have any requests in terms of the videos that you wish to see on this channel, make sure to let us know about that in the comment section, and thank you for watching.